Hey everyone. Today I have a different topic that I want to talk about, and it's homeschooling. And I just got news today that basically plan A for my soon-to-be kindergartner did not go through. So I'm hoping for plan B to go out, but I don't foresee. Anyway, I don't mean to be negative, but the point is that as my last resort, I was thinking of homeschooling her for kindergarten. I mean, mind you, she's been ready for kindergarten for like over 2 years. She knows how to read. She knows how to write. She's working on spelling, but you don't even need that for kindergarten yet. She knows how to count. She's been working on addition and subtraction. I don't know. She's really very well-rounded in all academic aspects and just life in general, I guess. So I don't have anything against homeschooling. Again, I respect both sides, those that are for it and those that are like against it. I've heard all the reasons, and this is not just now, just in general. I'm in the childcare industry, so this is kind of a topic that you hear at some point or other. So the point of this video is to let you guys know, my awesome subscribers, how things are going, and also to ask if you know any channels, any pages on any other social media platform, whatever information I can get on homeschooling. I would appreciate it, because obviously I want to think outside the box in the event that I do have to homeschool her, because she's already so far ahead academically. I want to make sure I cover other aspects of anything she can possibly touch upon. She has been going to school in a private school, so I also want to make sure that it's whatever I'm working with her, it's going to be top-notch education, so that when she does go back, hopefully in for first grade, then she didn't miss out on anything. She's not behind in anything. She's well ahead. Again, another thing I'm thinking, and again, this is a little far-fetched, because since I have a daycare, it's kind of like going to be hard to homeschool and have the daycare. Not too hard, but I'll make a video on how that could be a little difficult if you guys have any questions. But I'm also thinking, in the event that I do homeschool her, I'm going to save a ton of money if she's not going to be obviously in private school for a one calendar school year. And so I'm thinking of using that money as best that I can. The money that I would have paid for the school, I will probably hire another daycare assistant or hire a provider, so that I can have less work at home and more work for her, or maybe offer something at my childcare that basically the other children that are around her age, like an incentive for parents that have older kids, not to put them in a school in another childcare center or like a pre-K, and then have those kids come and also learn with my daughter. The other thing I'm also thinking is taking some of that money and making multiple trips throughout the school year, and take her to other places around the world, so that she can see firsthand, maybe if we're doing a class in Spanish, for example, or French, then take her to either France or Madrid, and then that way she sees firsthand the culture and just something like that. So again, I don't know how I'm gonna work that into my already crazy busy schedule, but those are ideas. So if any of you have any ideas of things that I can do, either programs, materials, traveling ideas, if you do homeschool and you do it to that extent that you make a trip or two during that whole school year, so that they can be immersed in the culture or the things you're working on, let me know. I'm open to ideas. So hope to hear from you guys, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can get future notifications. Thank you. Bye.